If you own a small business, have accumulated some wealth, or might be the target for a lawsuit because you are a high-income earner or professional, you should have a plan to protect your assets. In this video, we will outline 3 essential components of asset protection for a small business owner or someone with income-producing assets like rental properties. A good asset protection plan will include 3 bundles of tools. 1. A limited liability entity. 2. Transferring risks away from you and to other people. And 3. Good business practices. Let's take a closer look. Number 1. Limited liability entities. You should work with a knowledgeable business attorney to select, organize, and implement the right type and number of limited liability entities which will hold your business assets and operations. That usually means the creation of a limited liability company, the LLC, or a series limited liability company, the series LLC. These entities can be organized and taxed as a sole proprietorship, a partnership, an S corporation, or even a C corporation. A good business attorney will teach you how to operate and maintain your limited liability entity. Number 2, transferring risks away from you into other people. This is accomplished in 2 similar ways. 1, by purchasing the right type and quantity of insurance, and 2, by drafting and using good contracts. An insurance policy is really a contract between you and an insurance company, transferring certain risks from you to the insurer. The key lies in having the right contract form, which a good business lawyer can help you select and modify to meet your particular needs. And number 3, good business practices. This is a broad category of different things a small business owner can do to reduce business risks and increase the chances for business success. For example, having systems and processes in place and consulting early and often with your professional advisors like your lawyer, CPA, and insurance agents. These are good business habits to develop in order to avoid or resolve problems. You can take advantage of safe harbors, which are laws that encourage good business behaviors by reducing liability exposure. An experienced business attorney can guide you in developing good business practices based on the type, size, and industry of your business. The 2 essential goals of asset protection are 1, to avoid risks, and 2, to separate personal assets from business risks. Building lawful, time-tested, and effective asset protection barriers to keep business threats from reaching your personal assets is cost-effective, does not need to be complicated, and is just smart business. While you can never completely eliminate risks, a good plan will minimize risks to acceptable levels. And don't be fooled by bad advice on the internet. A good asset protection plan relies on the law and is not based on gimmicks, like hiding assets in a Caribbean island bank account or forming multiple entities in different states. Asset protection is proactive and rarely works retroactively to avoid liabilities that have already risen. So plan ahead to protect your assets from tomorrow's liability risks. To learn more about asset protection, visit our website to watch more videos and read our articles and ebooks. If you have more personal questions or are ready to protect your assets, please contact Griffith Exidius Law Group